women, they have got a big advantage just because when I am in a relationship with you and I'm saying we want to get tested and you refuse, the plan is you are wearing a plastic. You understand? Whether you like it or not, you are wearing a plastic. If you don't want to wear a plastic, you can leave. You understand? But a married woman had got a disadvantage just because your man can tell you that you don't trust we are married, so we don't wear a plastic. What? You understand? Guys, he can deny to wear a plastic, but when you are single woman, you have got a choice. When you want to wear a plastic, he can leave. You understand? He can leave. Guys, most of the women who are sick are married women, because guys, a man can bring disease. You understand? Can bring disease when you are staying at home and he is cheating with a woman who is sick and you don't even know. You understand? Guys, and most of the times, guys, married women, they have got a big disadvantage because a man can cheat on you with a person who is sick and he didn't tell you, because some of the men, they know that person is sick and he had got affair with the person, and